Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply custom Doto Design skins to your DJ gear. I'm doing my V10 mixer and two CDJ-900NEXUS. The main goal here is to protect the gear from daily use and scratches. Starting with the CDJs. First, clean it. I use a brush to get all the dust out. Then pull off all the knobs and the pitch fader cap. Next, give it a wipe down with 70% rubbing alcohol and a cloth. Don't worry, a little alcohol won't damage the paint. We use it because it cuts right through fingerprints and oils, and it dries way faster than water. Now for the skin, I highly recommend starting with something simple, like the jog wheel, just to get a feel of the material and build some confidence. The display section is a bit trickier. The secret is just to find one corner, lock it in, and follow the lines. The great thing about these Doto skins is they are forgiving, so if you mess up, you can peel it back and adjust it. Moving on to the main body. Again, find a corner and use the design to guide you. Do not press down firmly until you are 100% sure you haven't missed a spot. The pitch fader area takes some patience because you have to match up the printed lines exactly. Finish up with the play cue buttons and the sides. Those are super easy. Place the knobs back on. And look how good that looks. By the time I go to the second CDJ, it went way faster. The practice really helps. I did the V10 last because I knew it was going to require all my patience. First, take off every single knob and fader. To get the faders off, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently lift the side of the white plastic cap. Then wiggle it while pulling up, don't force it. If you have a stubborn, small knob you can't grip, use one of those cable ties. Loop it under the knob and pull straight up. Brush the dust, wipe it with alcohol, and carefully take out the little gray plastic pieces under the faders. For the skin, I tackle the fader section first, then the main body. Same rules apply. Find a corner, follow the lines, and don't apply pressure until it's perfectly aligned. This mixer requires a lot of patience, but remember you can always peel it back and start that section again. After the main body, I did the sides. Yeah. Putting the faders back together is very specific. The order is gray, plastic, then the black plastic, then the white cap. They are directional, so if it doesn't click into place, don't force it, just flip it around. Also note that the middle crossfader has a different gray piece that need to match a hole in the metal stem. The regular channel fader just uses side clips.